DJ6Pro when comparing with the old-fashioned miniature machines. The carving area is increased. The structure of the XY axis is strengthened to reduce failures. The laser head power is enhanced and added a laser protective cover. DJ6Pro Laser Engraver, Blue Laser Module, Cutting Board, User Manual, Engraving Materials, U-Disc, Glasses. Power Supply, Type-C Data Cable, Hexagonal Wrench. Heightening. Open the protective cover to install the laser head. Lay the machine down. Take out the laser head. Interface. Slide rail. Let's install the laser head. Here is the laser head. Cables of the machine. Plug into the blue light laser head. Lift the slide rail on the machine. Align the slide rail of the blue laser head with the slide rail. Tighten the screw on the machine. This is used to fix the laser head. This is the installation completed. Let's install the red laser head. The interface of the laser head. Connect the machine's cable to the interface of the laser head. Lift up the slide rail of the machine. Align the rail of the laser head with the rail of the machine. Then tighten the knob to fix the laser head. This is done. Next, focus. First, remove the focusing block of the red laser head. Then loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Adjust the height of the laser head until the fixed focus column touches the engraved object. This is a key step in carving a clear pattern. Then tighten the knob that fixes the laser head. Then put away the focusing column. Then the focusing is complete. Power cord. Plug in the power cord. Turn on the machine. Wait for the machine to reset. Put the cutting board. We put a piece of wood for focusing and engraving. The accuracy of laser engraving largely depends on the precise focus adjustment. The DJ6Pro's laser head focusing is very intuitive. Pull the laser head above the carving object. Manually rotate the fixed focus rod on the laser head. Loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Adjust the height of the laser head. Lower the laser head until the fixed focus rod touches the carved object. This is a key step to engrave a clear pattern. Otherwise, the pattern will be unclear or irregular. First, tighten the fixed knob. Then retract the fixed focus rod. This is the end of focusing. Install the mobile software. Open the browser on the Android phone. Click Scan on the browser. For iPhone, open the built-in App Store and search for DJ Laser app. Allow the permissions required during installation. Click Install. Return to the desktop. This is the installation completed. Then turn on the phone's Bluetooth. Open the software. Click Connect device. Wait for DJ6Pro's Bluetooth to appear. Click. A turn screen here, and the machine shows connected, which means it's connected.